Today is Tuesday, July 14. So I want to make some important video concerning changing of charging port for phones. I've come across many phones that initially make a lot of mistakes in the process of changing the charging port, and there are some important things that we need to note if you want to change a charging port of an Android phone. I will first start with the necessary tools that you need to change phone charging system perfectly. The first thing I think will be a soldering gun. This one you can use. This one is for professional, and you can also use the local one. All of them, they are good. You just need to know how to use the hot air gun. The other thing that you need a motherboard holder, something like this. You need a pair of tweezers. You need alcohol. This one is to clean the board, and with a earpiece like this, ear ball like this. You also need absorption with something like this. You need this one. You need LED. You need this floss. The one that I usually use is mechanic. It's very good. There is another kind of flood again. It's real life. It's also good. But I use this one the most. You need a brush like this one. With this set, we can start. So the most important thing that I want to note in this process is what you have to understand before changing a charging port. So I will put this charging port under the microscope so that people can see it very well, and I will be telling people the things that I have to consider most when you are changing charging port. First is, I will take, this is a charging port for Samsung A40. It's a type C. It's the charging card. So I'll put it, let me put it under the microscope. That is the charging port. This is the charging port of a Samsung A40. The important things that you need to know when you are changing the charging port of this device. First, you are going to say this. Yes, with A40, what you have to note first is the mic. This small mic here. Many technicians, they spoil the mic in the process of changing the charging port. So you have to be very cautious when you are changing charging port for this type of phone. You have to be very mindful of the charging port, the one here. Secondly, you have to take note of these antennas. These ones, they are the ones, these two like this, they are the ones that connect to the speaker. Most technicians, they put too much heat and you will root off the port, and when you connect the phone, the speakers will not work. So the solution for this, you have to use a tape. this one they call it termite tape. It is very nice for changing charging port. You can just remove a portion of it and you cover the area with the mic. Like this. So this is how it will be. Cover it like this so that the heat will not destroy the mic. Another charging system is this common one. There is a charging system that is for usually for Infinix, Tenno and Itel. This normal charging, this is a common charging system that many of these Itel phones come with. Technicians also mess up. In this charging card, there is also a mic. This is a mic here, and these antennas that you have to be careful when you are changing them. So another charging card that I will show you people again is the charging card of a Bluetooth speaker. It's a type C. This one is simple to change, but you can still mess up with it if you are not careful, because with this one there's a LED light right under the charging port that if it warm it from under, you can destroy that charging light. Is an indicator that the Bluetooth is charging. So today I will be changing these three kind of charging system so that you can see the right way of changing it. First, we will start with the Android charging system. The Android charging system, we place it under the microscope so that we can all see the process of changing it correctly. Okay, that is it there. Okay, the first thing that we need to do, we have to put our nut. And then we use our tweezer with air set at 51, set it at 74, and we have to take off the charging port. I'm using a local hot air gun because it is good to work under the microscope. Okay, it's out. The pot is out. We have to clean the lead. We have to clean the lead. We use our soldering iron. We add some floss. Add some floss. That. Okay. Okay. We clean it with some alcohol. You apply a liquid lead and pour it. Clean the excess. Okay. We collect a charging port from this. Here. That is it. We prepare it to be soldered on the board. Add some flour there.
Sweet chips.
Okay. That's another here. Okay. It's ready now. We put on the board. You can see it's fitted already. That is it. I will add so that it let me turn it so that we can be seeing it well. Process.
Sweet chips.
Okay. We'll solder the tips. Okay, we are done. We clean it. It's ready. We'll go to the second charging system. It will be the charging port for the Bluetooth. Let's go ahead and change this one. Place it. The charging port now of this Bluetooth speaker. Let me place it here. We'll put some. Let me place it on the motherboard.
No wrap on the put down.
Yeah, I'm placing it out to arrange it on my motherboard. Okay. Let's fit it under the mic switch. So